Yeah man, big up pet come cookie gas and all the cook them worldwide man. A super bird and the big chef in the kitchen, me tell him say. What the big chef in the kitchen? Super, who cook the rice and the chicken? Super, who made the food finger licking? Super bird, the big chef, me in the kitchen. Me cook the rice, me cook the chicken. When me done cook it, have a finger licking. Pet come cookie gas and it me using. What the big chef in the kitchen? Super, who cook the rice and the chicken? Super, who made the food finger licking? Super plus supermarket where me do me shopping. Shopping at Super Plus, me get everything from the rice to the flour straight down to the chicken. Picking up gross product, it must have to be because out of Grace Kitchen where me get my recipe. What the big chef in the kitchen? Super, who cook the rice and the chicken? Super, who made the food finger licking? Miss Lico could not take the heat. She run out of the kitchen as come and grill and rice that she was cooking. The ratty taste me food said finger licking. Say from now on is here she eating. What the big chef in the kitchen? Super, who cook the rice and the chicken? Super, who made the food finger licking? You say if you know a food, I do it put up your hand make me see it. As me done cook, me want a big plate for eat. Could a rice, could a peas, could a fish or chicken. Pet come cooking gas, keep you cooking. Call Pet come cookie anytime, anywhere. Call Pet come cookie and your gas will be there. What the big chef in the kitchen? Super, who cook the rice and the chicken? Super, who made the food finger licking? You say if you know a food, I did put up your hand, make me see it. As me done cook, me want a big plate for eat. Could a rice, could a peas, could a fish or chicken. Pet come cooking gas, keep you cooking. Call Pet come cookie anytime, anywhere. Call Pet come cookie and your gas will be there. What the big chef in the kitchen? Super, who cook the rice and the chicken? Super, yeah man, a super bird, the big chef in the kitchen. Who cut the rice and chicken and make the food finger licking, man, a super bird.